Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily set up your front light and dark mode in Pocketbook Era. So first, go to apps, and now go to settings. Here, go to personalize, and here the first option is front light and dark mode. Here you can enable or disable the front light, as you can see, and here you can also enable the dark mode or simply disable it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.